Hey guys, this is an unboxing video for an ukulele that I ordered on Aliexpress. To my surprise, it arrived quite fast. It is very lightly packed, but the box seems to be undamaged. Let's see. The box is pretty much okay. Let's open it up. Basically, this is it. The uke was the only thing in the box. It's a soprano-sized ukulele, so it's 21 inch. It has a really pretty design on the front. It has a bird engraved and a flower-shaped soundhole. I bought this for a friend of mine as a present, and I hope she would appreciate it. It also has a curved back, slightly curved back, which is supposed to make it resonate better. The tuners are closed gear tuners, and they feel really smooth. It's a very nice looking instrument, and sounds actually really nice. I'll tune it up and I'll give it a try.